Thank you for listening to WAHD. We need to interrupt regular programming to activate the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for eastern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, west central Shelby County in southwestern Iowa, until 8:30 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Logan, or 26 miles northeast of Omaha, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for eastern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, west central Shelby County in southwestern Iowa, until 8:30 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Logan, or 26 miles northeast of Omaha, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of eastern Harrison and west central Shelby counties, including the following locations: Fort Smith and Woodbine. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Shelby, Iowa,